Now we go for sum number 4 of exercise 6.5, where you are given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with a right angle at C. Angle C is the right angle, hence AC is equal to BC as it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, what do you have to prove there? You have to prove that AB square means the hypotenuse square is 2 times AC square. Right? Very simple proof it is. You just have to apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, what do you get? You will get AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now we have been given that AB is equal to, BC is equal to AC. This should be AC. AC is equal to BC, that is given to us. So in place of this BC, I will put AC. So AB square is AC square plus AC square. Reason you can write, since AC is equal to BC, this is given to us. So how many times AC we have? हमारे पास 2 बार हो गया वो. So you'll write twice AC square. Got that? Fine. Now we come to question number 5. In this question number 5, you are given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equal to BC. Same way, you are given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with BC equal to AC. Same way, these two sides are equal. AC is equal to BC. So here is your A, B, C. And you are also given that AB square is twice AC square. So what are we given here now? Let us take, you are given in sum number 5, in triangle ABC, AC is equal to BC. That means the triangle is an isosceles triangle. This is what is given to you. And you are also given AB square is twice AC square. Okay. What do you have to prove? You have to prove that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. This is what we have to prove. Fine. Now let us again go for what is given to us. In triangle ABC, what are we given? AB square is equal to twice AC square. Let us write that. AB square is equal to twice AC square. अब ये twice AC square को हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, AC square plus AC square. Okay. We are also given that this AC is equal to BC, है ना? See, AC is equal to BC, तो एक AC की जगह हम BC लिख देंगे. So AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, since AC is equal to BC. Triangle is an isosceles triangle. अब आप देखो, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square मिल गया. So by converse of Pythagoras theorem, the angle opposite to the longest side will be a right angle. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Okay, hope you got this. These two sums are examples of Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so now we move on to sum number 6. In sum number 6, we have been given, question number 6, we have been given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle with side 2A. Here we have an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle having all the three sides of same length. So we have been given an equilateral triangle, say ABC, the length of each side is 2A. Okay, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. So here we draw the altitude AD. I will not draw the other three because for an equilateral triangle all the altitudes will be of the same length. Okay, so given में हम लिखेंगे triangle ABC is equilateral where AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to how much? 2A. AD is perpendicular to BC यानी AD क्या हो गई? Altitude हो गई. To find length AD. I have been always telling a property of equilateral triangle. For an equilateral triangle, the altitude AD is also the perpendicular bisector of the opposite base. This altitude AD is also the angle bisector. It is also the median. Okay, and all the altitudes for an equilateral triangle, the medians, the angle bisectors, the perpendicular bisectors, the lengths will be the same. Are you getting that? Now if AD altitude becomes the perpendicular bisector of BC, then this length BD, it will become A. This length DC will also be A. Okay, it will be half of 2A. So we have this length BD, we have this length 2A. We can find out the altitude by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let us begin with that. We have to write first. We know that for an equilateral triangle, the altitude is also the angle bisector, the perpendicular bisector, the median. Okay, so this is the property of an equilateral triangle. Now, therefore, if it is the perpendicular bisector, if AD is the perpendicular bisector, therefore AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Therefore, BD will be half BC. So BD will be equal to half of 2A. So BD will become how much? It will be A. Got that? Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Now, in right triangle, ABD. I hope you can see this in the figure. This is a right triangle ABD. This also we can take. I am taking ABD. Okay. in right triangle ABD by Pythagoras theorem. You are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, you will have the hypotenuse. Which is the hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse है आपकी AB, है ना? Hypotenuse square minus BD square will give you the altitude square. So first of all we'll write AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square कितना है? 2A whole square. AD आपको फाइंड करना है. BD is A square. So ये A square will move to the left hand side. 2A whole square becomes 4A square. This A square to the left hand side will give you AD square. Now 4A square minus A square is 3A square. That will be your AD square. Taking square root of both the sides, what are you going to get? If you take square root of both the sides, you will get root 3 times A. इसका स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकलेगा, इसका निकलेगा A square. Root 3 times A is your AD. So what is the length of the altitude? Root 3 times A, और A into root 3. सारी altitudes की length same ही होगी. Getting that? So we've done sum number 6 also. Fine. Kindly subscribe to my channel, please. CBSE students, I do not see any response from you all.